Hello everyone, we will start with File, New. As you can see for the template, since here we can see metric, we'll start with metric, okay? And we'll go to standard part millimeter and we'll create a single part. The first thing I recommend is to click on the home. Now you can identify, or you can see the views, top, front and right side view. Okay, from the left, which is the model, see, model browser. If you don't have this menu here, you go to view, user interface, model browser. So from the model browser we have work plane, this one, origin. Click on the plus here on the tab, we expand. So we have this view called right side view, top view, front view. So let's agree on this one. Okay, so it's obvious that this part is laid down on this position, so I will try to draw it from this side similar to what I have here. Okay, so I will go to start 2D sketch from the front view. The maximum length 108 by 50. I will draw a rectangle. I will choose center 108, then press tab on the keyboard 50. Okay, 108 and 50. I can do the cut, this cut, which is 11 and 30, in the same sketch, or I can keep it for later to make new sketch, cut sketch. Okay, so this is Autodesk Inventor. It's called parametric software. That means you can do in either way. You can draw the profile one time, you can do it later, and then later you can edit whenever you want. Unlike the AutoCAD, editing will be a little bit difficult because you don't have features here like as parameters. You cannot see the features. Okay, so let's start with make simple box and create extrude. What is the value? The maximum. We'll take the maximum from here until here, which is 28. See, can you see this is the maximum, 28. So type here 28. Start to the sketch here. Now I will remove this part. I will do the cut. Okay, start to the sketch. Now I will draw a line here. Okay, and the distance 11 with angle 30. Okay, so here we have distance. So from here to here 11, and the angle from here to here is 30. Okay, so 11 and 30. I'm going to teach you a simple way to do it on the other side, which is called mirror. Draw a line here in the center, move it all the way to this area. This line, you can go here and click symmetry or center line and choose this line to be center line like this. Then trim this area, so I only need this line. Okay, I will go here to mirror. I will choose all these. I will click mirror. I will choose this line. I will click apply. Done. Now if I click on finish, extrude the profile, this profile, this profile. To the other side I will choose all, this one, all, cut. Okay, so I get this profile. Okay, now this one is 6 and this one is 6, so let's do this cut, and this cut here. Okay, which is the depth is 6. Start 2D sketch on this area. Okay, now let's start. Okay, first of all, this center has radius here, has radius here. Okay, so we'll do it in different way because I don't know the center. They don't give me here the center for this arc. Okay, so I will start from this 11 and I will go back to the center. I will show you how I do it. I will draw a line from here to here. Okay, then I will draw dimension from here to here. I need it to be 11. This line I will make it construction. Construction, that means it will not be taken into account when it make the extrude. Now I have radius 95, so I will draw a circle. I will choose this. I will put the line here. Okay, at this point. So here randomly, I don't know the center. Here I put it exactly at this point, and then I will choose the dimension, this one, to be 95. But this the diameter, so 95 multiplied by 2. Okay, everything is good except that this line, which is going to be fixed, I have to move the center point from this area to this line. So here 11 and here also 11, because before I move it, it was like this. From down 11, but see from up, which is wrong, because this center is not on this. So I will make this center come here. I use coincident constraint. See in the drawing. Okay, so this is my first cut. Now my second radius from the same center point, I will draw a circle, radius 70 multiplied by 2, this one, and then the last radius will be for the circle, the center of the circle. I will draw it from now, which is 82 multiplied by 2, this one, but I will make it as construction. Okay, so this will be my cut. I will cut from here to here, and then I have from this edge to the center 40, and then 13 I will have another cut. Okay, so I will draw a line from here to here, from here to here is 40 plus 13. Okay, 40 plus. So this area is going to be cut. What I'm going to do is I will draw extend for this line and extend for this line, and I will draw like this line from here to here, any line, and again line from here to here. What I'm going to do is like this, trim. I will remove this lines, I remove this one, I remove this one, I remove this one, I remove this one. Okay, so all I have to do is do cut for this area and cut for this area like this. Cut for this area, cut the value 6. See, I have this one. Start to the sketch again here. I will draw a circle. The center from here to here 40, and the diameter is 28.6. So the diameter 28.6. Finish. I will extrude, cut. See, if I did extrude cut only for one way, because it has one way to down to the bottom like this, I said all the way through down, I will end up having this cut, but from this area still I have distance, which is I don't want to keep it because here it's not available. It has 6, as you can see. Okay, so I will go right click, edit feature. I would say I will choose another distance for this one. I want it all the way through, and for this distance A, like all the way through, and for distance A like 6 only, and for distance B you can type here whatever you want, like if you can type 100, 200, 300 if this one at work. Okay, start to make the holes. Okay, as we said before, we can use the hole, this one, to use the holes, but in this case now we need sketch. Okay, so as I told you, here we draw a sketch, this one, but now you cannot see it because it's been used by this extrude. What I can do is right click here, click on share sketch. Now see, you can see this sketch. Now you can draw another sketch just to take the dimension from the old one. Start 2D sketch on this surface, and I will go to something called copy geometry. Can you see this one? Copy, and I will copy this line. Okay, and I can copy this line, the center. Now, okay, now see, what's the benefit? Now you can draw a circle on this line. See, now you can use it. So draw a circle here and draw a circle here. 16 from the center, so from this center to here 16, and from this center to here 16. Okay, so the distance between them 32, and they are both in the same arc. So we are done. Finish. Extrude this one, cut all. Okay, now we can go to this sketch, change the visibility, and we finish this drawing. Let's change the color of the whole part. I will go to view, make realistic. I will add shade, will add light here, light. I will add 2 light. I will try 1 light. I will keep the same original light, and I will go save this part, index slide. If you want to make dimension for this part, you can go File, New, ANSI millimeter, base. I will change the scale. Okay, in this case we don't need top view, front view, right side view. We need section view. How to make section view? We'll do like this. We come here, we make section straight until we reach here, then we'll go down vertical until we reach the center of this circle, and then we'll go like this, then right click, continue, then we'll go down. Okay, so this is the part. You can right click, remove the visibility. You can right click, edit the hatch and change the size of the hatch, like 3. So here is the part that we have. Okay, we can edit this view and increase it a little bit. Let's say 4, and automatic we will have increase for the isometric view. For the section view, we can have isometric view if you want, like this here. Let's say 3. With this one I don't need it. Yes. Let's change the edit view, the visibility, to make it shaded or solid. Let's add dimension from here. This one will add center line. I will touch here, I will touch here, I will have center line, so I will add dimension from the center line. For the circle, you have to go to the circle and go to the center of the circle to take the dimension. And you can take center to center. This is the value, 6. Click here and center bisector from here to here, from here to here. Don't forget the radius. Edit layer, go to dimensions, display, change to 5 to 3, change the color to blue. Okay, text, edit text, change the color, change the value, save and close, and that's it. We have, if you want here to change it to diameter, which is 28.6, you can go like this. Once you click on diameter here in dimension, right click, dimension type, change it to diameter. See, now you can change it to diameter. Then don't keep 2 values, we have to delete it. Okay, 108, we forget the 40, we forget the 13, this 6 we can make it outside, the 32, 16, we should add center here, we should add center here, center here. Everything is written, everything is 2. This one 6.8, it is 10. I think we forget to add diameter, so we will go back to our part. We'll go to last sketch, right click, edit sketch. Yes, we forget to add diameter, so we'll go here, click 10, and we click here. You can either type 10 or just click on this one. It will be updated. Finish. See, now if you go here, it will be updated automatic. Now you can do like this. You can choose, instead of diameter, this one you can choose hole and thread feature like this. This option will allow you to add extra feature like this. Edit hole node. Come here and add quantity 2. Okay. We forget to add this cut, which is 22, and add the depth 6. We'll go to the part, start 2D sketch. Here we'll draw we don't care about this length. We click tab on the keyboard. We care about this one, 22. Okay, finish, extrude. See, this value, the old value 28, and this one 16. So we make cut, we say 28 minus 16. Okay, so this will be the value, because from here to here 16, and from here to here 28. This is 16 and this is 28, so it's not 28, it is 6. 28 minus 6, see this one, the total until here is 28, until here is 6, so 28 minus 6, 22. 22 minus 16, yes, this one, edit feature, 22 minus 16. So if you want to check the value, tool, measure from here to here, which is 6, yes. So we'll go back and we will add this missing part from here to here, which is 22, and of course this value is also 6. Or you can add the 16, the one that we are missing here, 16. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. This is the end of this video.